Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to earn $6 every time you watch advertisements. This is free and available worldwide. Make sure to follow all the steps presented in this money-making tutorial. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Make sure to listen up. Now, there are basically 5 different ways that you can make money on this website. The first way is to browse website videos and ads. The next one is to leave engagement on social media, so that includes watching, liking, sharing, and maybe even commenting on videos. You can also write comments and reviews on certain products. You can even fill out surveys if that's your thing. Let me show you the homepage. Remember, you can do this on any device. May it be your laptop or your mobile phone or your tablet. Rest assured that this method works in any country in the world. So let me show you how this really works. Step 1, you've got to select a method of earning. Take a look at here. There are actually so many ways of earning money on this website. You can choose from all of these options right here. There are 5 great methods, as you can see. Next step, start working on the task you've chosen, and then you get sent the payment every single time you reach your threshold. You can actually get paid every 24 hours using this method. Does that sound good to you? If so, let's move on to signing up. Now, if you want to sign up for a free account, all you've got to do is click on the button registration right here to this page where you can see your options to start an account. You can register with your Google or Microsoft account, or you can create a new one from scratch by typing in your email and password right here and clicking next. You will now be taken to this page. This is your dashboard, and here you'll be able to see your estimated earnings. Since this is a new account, you're starting from 0 because you haven't completed any tests yet, but don't worry, once you start making money, it'll just show up here on top of your dashboard. Now, you've started to set up your account right. You will now have to go over to your email inbox and look for the email containing the verification link for your account. That way, your account can be all set up and activated. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. I'd like you to go to this website by clicking Earn, as you can see on the side. You can select your preferred earning technique here. All of these methods are listed on this page. Let's look at the first alternative, which is to use your internet to look for movies and advertisements. Simply click on the green Earn button to get started. It doesn't matter whether you're on a laptop, phone, or tablet. You'll be directed to a number of YouTube videos, including this one. All you have to do now is press play and begin watching the videos for the duration specified by the timer. keep in mind that you will not get paid if you stop watching the video before the timer runs out. Let's go to the next step in the process of terminating social media engagement. If you click the on button right here, you'll be transported to a page where you may leave all types of social media activities. You may listen to music, watch videos, subscribe to the channel, and like or follow profiles on Instagram. These are all really simple and straightforward passes that allows anyone with no prior experience can complete. This is how you can watch a YouTube video in action. Simply press the play button and wait for the countdown to end before starting to watch the video. Here's a tip. You can speed up the loading and playback of the video while also saving data by clicking the gear button and decreasing the video quality to the lowest preset. If you want to boost your profits, enjoy the video and share it by clicking the share button, copying the link and sharing it on Facebook and Twitter. So that's the second way to generate money using the website. And there are plenty of other options as well. This one is called Coinbase.com, and you'll see a button on the homepage that says Earn Crypto. Simply click this link to be taken to a page where you can make money with cryptocurrencies. All you have to do to learn about cryptocurrency is watch these tutorial films, and you will be compensated for each one you complete. Consider how much money they'll pay you for each video. It's incredible how quickly you're taken through the procedure and shown how it works. Take this course for example. Simply click on Start Course and you'll be directed to this website where we can see all of the lessons broken down into easily consumable videos that last only few minutes each, and for which you'll be paid just for watching them. Take a look at this video, which is only 1 minute long and can earn you this much. Money grows while you're watching videos. You may even refer your friends to our website and receive a payment of $40 after they complete the course. You can simply go back and complete additional courses to continue earning money by repeating a simple message. And that wraps it up. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next video.